This is the brief on introducing family members in Spanish. So, learning how to talk about your familia? It's this fantastic shortcut because it instantly unlocks the core verbs and descriptive structures you're going to need to describe, well, pretty much anyone. Okay, first up, you have the essential vocabulary, the family roles. It starts with your immediate family, right? Your padre, your madre, and your hermanos. Then you expand out to extended family, like your abuela, your primo, tíos, and cuñada. Second, let's talk about the verbs, which are absolutely crucial. See, where English just uses to be for almost everything, Spanish splits it up. You'll use llamarse for names, tener for age, and then the real workhorse, ser, for things like identity, profession, or where someone is from. And finally, don't just stop at the title. The goal is to layer in those rich details right away. We're talking about adding professions like profesora or estudiantes, or stating an age, or a nationality, like saying someone is japonesa, and even what languages they speak. Mastering these core roles and verbs gives you the blueprint to describe your own family confidently in Spanish.